Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be starting a new project. The kit will be the Tallgeese EW, the RG1 of course. By the name of the endless vast version, I didn't know why they call it like that, because from the outside I didn't see any difference between the original Tallgeese and the TV version and the EW version. Yeah, if you can remember the Wing Gundam in EW and the normal TV version is a huge difference. Well, anyway, this is the cover art, as same as the usual cover art. RG right here, the head and normal CG rendering of the Tallgeese. And the side, well, this time they changed with the Leo inner frame. Yeah, it's the right way to do it, because yeah, the backpack is a huge one. And yeah, remember the scenario, the disaster, they should have changed it with the Leo inner frame. But anyway, this thing is seems like the same as the original. Well, about this head right here, focus please. If you can remember, this is the Leo head. Yeah, the Leo. If you don't know, it is just like the Sark in the Universe Century. Yeah, this is the. In fact, if you remove the backpack and the side skirt armor, it is a Leo. Yeah, of course with the head removed, change it to a square eyes. Yeah, it is a very funny thing. I think there will be someone in outside. They will change this kit into the Leo, but yeah, of course the Bandai are going to sell some dual HG in the high grade. So yeah, maybe they will interchange some parts to make this into the real grade Duo. I looking forward to it. Yeah, not much to see outside. The list price is 2,500 yen. Yeah, also the logo required. Yeah, after the Unicorn Gundam, all the kit they said is logo required. Okay, let's take a look inside. Yeah, I can see they totally changed the inner frame design. I mean the runner design. And yeah, the sticker is still the same as the original. Oh, sorry, I mean still the same as the real grade sticker. Yeah, maybe I can find some water slide maybe. Okay, this wanna be the inner frame, and this wanna A. Yeah, the skirt armor, some yellow parts, nothing else. Put it aside. Well, this is interesting. In the H1, you can see a clear beam saber. Yeah, it is the first time I see some beam saber is in the clear color. And this the eye monitor. And the one E, this is the leg, I believe. And then one D, the shield armor, this is the head, the H2. And the side of the head, I believe. And the C1, the shield, the body parts, this is the head of the for the body. And I forget his name, sorry, the mask, the guy who wears the iron mask. And one E2, still the same, the leg. And one G2 in the frame. Yeah, just a normal inner frame and some thruster parts. Okay, now they give you the pink version of the beam saber. I don't know why they do this, but anyway, it is a good thing. You can choose from the pink and the clear one. And then this one F. Yeah, you can see right there they changed the hand design. You can see right here the hand is look totally different from the old design, so this is good. And the main barrel of the gun, the shoulder part, and back of it is also the inner frame, the G1. Yeah, it is the inner frame for the shield and the first something like that. Okay, let's check out the manual. Okay, the manual as usual is the same design as the wheelbase go on, still the large head right here. So yeah, it seems the old style. Right there, first you build a leg, and then yeah, this will be a simple kit, and then the waist. And the body seems like you are going to build it from down to the top. Yeah, there's some detail about the backpack. Yeah, it didn't set the backpack vernier, it said the vernier. I don't know the difference between two of it, but anyway, there's some detail for the in Japanese. Well, I don't know why it just have the Japanese version for this, but well, in nowadays the menu always have some Japanese, and yeah, just look here it have some Japanese and English translation. So I don't know why Bandai don't do it for full menu. And then the step is the arms. Yeah, still the same thing for the arms, and then the head. Then the back vernier, yeah, I don't know if my pronunciation is right, but yeah, this backpack. Then there's some detail about the weapon. Yeah, about the magazine, I don't know why it's used the magazine, but maybe it's called energy pack. And then shield. Well, notice that the two white thing right here is a beam saber. Finally is the weapon, the toboggan. And then the shield. Well, seems they have some gimmick that the toboggan the barrel of it can be moved back and forward with a little leech right there. Okay, I think that's about it. Nothing special. It's just a normal real great kit, but yeah, I think the design seems like a little bit different from the Mark II. Yeah, of course the Mark II is my last build real great. I think that the inner frame design is pretty good, but some guy in YouTube said the inner frame for this is much better than the Gundam Mark II, so I'm looking forward to it. And this will about the little guy right there, Marquis. I don't know how to spell it, but anyway, I will not paint this. Yeah. So this will be a quick build. I think, but I'm going to fully paint it, maybe. Yeah, maybe just paint the inner frame with pure gray and solder with some different color, maybe. And then the armor, well, the armor, I'm thinking, should I paint it with two-tone of white? Because, let's see. I don't see a large difference, just a little bit difference between these two tone of white, but this two-tone, this one is much darker, sorry. Well, sorry about the call. Yeah, in here you can see there's a two-tone of white. This is the lighter one and this is off-white, something like that. But should I paint it both to its original design color, or just let it be just pure white? I think I will think about it anyway. Oh, I forgot to show you some detail about the design of the mobile suit, because, well, you can see right here, this is the original, or the ancestor for the mobile suit of the Wing Gundam universe. Yeah, this is grandfather of all mobile suits. It's set right here, maybe. Yeah. Right there, you can check it out if you pause the video. Okay. Anyway, this is the end of this video. I will upload the building video very soon. See you next time. Bye bye.